Hey, what's up? This is Ron Palmer. Welcome to my Ultimate Traffic Boost review. This is a new product which basically gives you everything you need to get started generating an income online. Actually, so good, I grabbed a copy for myself. And basically what you're gonna get is a set of done-for-you squeeze pages where you can test and actually see the conversions, which are converting best. But the other thing is that you're getting done for you traffic within the system. Done for you traffic. So you don't have to go out and search for that traffic. And that's actually pretty good. I haven't seen something like this before. And I'm gonna be showing you exactly what this is about. Okay, so stick with me just a little bit more. I'm gonna be talking about the bonuses, the sales page, and the actual product, which is, in my opinion, one of the best products so far this year. So let's talk about the bonuses. So if you check the link below, okay, or if you are on my bonus page, you just have to scroll down. There's gonna be a video here when you watch this. But if you're watching this on YouTube, you want to click the link below in the description, and you probably wanna grab this before this timer hits 0. Now, I have some pretty exclusive bonuses, and I've been spending a lot of time creating these bonuses, and I actually twisted the arm of the creators. We're talking about Richard and Paul, which are the creators of this product. They create really great software, and this first bonus is so exclusive, literally. Okay, now that being said, if we talk about the sales page, I'm going to be showing you here. It says already delivered over 447K and counting real buyer traffic. So what you're going to be giving away is actually traffic to people. Okay, you're going to be giving away real buyer traffic. So it's basically a smart app that automatically builds a list for you by using real buyer traffic. So you win, your customers win, and basically you're giving away this as a lead magnet. So in my opinion, is one of the best products that I've seen this year, because you just need to send a trickle of traffic to these campaigns, and the traffic is actually something included in the product. Okay, so there's not much you have to do, and you can see more about the results. You can see their sales page in your own time, basically. Okay, so there's Richard and Paul. Now let's talk about the software. So once you land inside here, you want to watch this video first, but there's basically 3 steps here. The step number 1, you're going to be choosing your referral landing page from the options available inside. You're going to be showing you that. And once you select that, you go back here to the dashboard, you copy your referral link, which is going to be here, and then you can basically use those, paste those wherever you want. Okay. The step number 2, you're going to be enabling the cash accelerator, which is going to be one of these packages here. Okay, so you can scroll down here and see those packages. And the step number 3 is going to be, once you purchase, you want to check your email inbox for your PIN code, which is going to allow you to unlock this. Okay, so basically the first thing that you have to do is to choose a page here. Okay, now you're going to be able to see the amount of visitors that you got here, but this amount here is going to be, if you want to grab anything else here, you can do that. But inside the front end product, you're going to get these visitors included. Okay, so first of all, you have to choose a page. So that's the first step. You choose a page, and the cool thing is that you can see the conversions here for each one of these squeeze pages. And this is, from their tests, real tests. And some of them are not converting as well. So you probably want to pick those that are converting well. So you can check, for example, this one here. I'm going to check if there's another one. Yeah, seems that those are the best converting ones. So what you do is first of all, you choose one of these. Okay. And once you've done that, you're going to be able to see this squeeze page. This is what you want to share with people. So let's say someone lands on this squeeze page, okay? And then what you do is you insert your email. Basically what happens here is that they're going to be forwarded with this system that I showed you earlier. There's actually something I forgot to do here. I'll go back here. Okay, I'm gonna copy any of these links here. I'm gonna open it. And okay, I'm gonna paste that here. Actually, that was the preview. Okay, so this is the actual link. Okay, and here you insert your email. Basically, what's going to happen here is that people are going to receive their offer. Okay, and what you can do here, if we click on edit here, what you can do is you can choose another squeeze page, and you can test those two against each other to see which one is performing the best. Okay, so that's the basic idea here. Now, if we head over to add campaign, here you can grab those URLs that you get inside the system. Let's say this is the URL number 1 and this is the URL number 2. You name this Robin Test. And then you can select the date here. Let's say today is February 26th. I wanted to start today and I wanted to end in around a week to fully test it. Okay, and I can set the amount of visits here to, let's say, 1,000 visitors. I click on create. Okay, so right now I have 25. Okay, so basically here you can see your campaign. So you basically send traffic to this, and the system is gonna evaluate and tell you which one of these are converting the best. But you're already picking from their already tested and converting squeeze pages. So when someone lands inside the system, they're gonna get free traffic, okay, but they're gonna get the option of upgrading 2 more offers. I'm gonna be showing you that here. I'm gonna go back to the dashboard. And the cool thing is that if someone decides to upgrade here, either for the 10,000, 5,000, 2,500, or any of these upgrades, you are gonna earn 50%, okay? And the creators are gonna earn 50%, okay? So it's basically a done-for-you system that is gonna keep growing your commissions and visitors. Pretty cool stuff, actually. So let's see what else we have here. Now, you can also integrate this with GetResponse and ActiveCampaign if you want to send leads, okay? Now, if you use ActiveCampaign, I have a set of done-for-you emails and everything that you can just import with one click. You're gonna get that inside my bonuses as well. And if you don't have an autoresponder, you can just click here, connect storage, and basically all the leads are going to be stored inside or within the system, and then you can use those later on if you don't have an autoresponder, and then you just click on save. The other cool thing is that I have extra training here, which is pretty cool. So it's not just the software, it's just not about the referral system, the income system. We're talking about the email marketing, affiliate marketing. They have how to start with traffic generation, how to do email marketing. There's tons of really high quality content here. And then they have some tools which are both paid and free that you can use here to get the best out of this. So really, in my opinion, really, really good. Okay, so if we go back and talk about the prices, the front-end product is going to be $27 to $37. Okay, now everything that I just showed you is included in the front-end product. Now you want to have in mind that if you just decide to pick up the front-end product, you're going to get all of these exclusive bonuses. Most of them are going to be available only during the first 12 hours. You want to have that in mind. Okay, so when you grab this, you want to bookmark this page. Okay, The upgrade number 1 is the cash accelerator for $97. There's gonna be a downsell, so you probably want to grab that at the downsell price, and this is gonna enable you to unlock 6 modules of Ultimate Traffic Boost at once. We're talking about Cash Boost, Bonus Boost, Lead Boost, Traffic Package, which are one for 2,500, 5,000, and 10,000 visitors. So in my opinion, I really recommend you get the upgrade number 1 at least, okay? Because it's gonna allow you to get so much more out of this. Now the upgrade number 2 is gonna be the high ticket boost for $97. There's also gonna be a downsell for this. And this is gonna allow you to unlock commissions for products that sells for $1,000, or you get the commissions for $1,000 a pop. Really, really good. If you wanna do that, it's an option as well. The upgrade number 3 is the infinite income for $247, okay? And this is the amazing system behind all the powers behind the Ultimate Traffic Boost. So basically, by unlocking this massive upgrade, you're not only gonna get the Ultimate Traffic Boost firing at its full capacity or capability, you're also gonna get access to the Traffic Toolbox, okay? So this is huge, guys, okay? So that's basically what I can say about this product. Really good in my opinion. You can see a demo here exactly of how it works on my bonus page in the description, or if you're on my bonus page, you just have to scroll down the page and you're going to be able to see this demo video. Don't forget, these are only going to be available during the first 12 hours. Bookmark it, the bonus page, because after that I'm going to be taking that now, okay? So yeah, that's basically it. That's what I can say about this product. This was my Ultimate Traffic Boost review, and I guess I talked to you soon. Take care.